Dear students, our today's topic is life of tribes and nomads. We know that during the medieval age, several social, economic, and political developments took place. The Indian society it was divided on the basis of varnas. During this period, gap between the rich and the poor increased. There were, however, several communities which do not follow rules laid down by the Brahmins. These included the tribes, nomads, and settled communities. So, tribes they are the people who do not follow norms laid down by the society, and nomads these are the people who keep on moving from one place to another place. Most of the tribes they were dependent on agriculture, others were herders or hunter gatherers. Tribes were even nomadic and moved from one place to another place. Many tribes lived in forests, hills, deserts, and other places which were difficult to reach. They preserved their culture and heritage through oral tradition. There were even clashes between tribes and powerful caste-based societies. Contemporary historians and travelers from medieval India hardly give any information about the tribes. Many of the tribes emerged as politically powerful groups through their areas of influence and activities varied. Some of the powerful tribes were Khokhar tribe in Punjab, Langhas and Arguns in Multan, Gadis in the Himalayas. There were also Kolis and Brads of Gujarat, Gonds of Chhattisgarh, Bhil tribe in central India, and these tribal societies they underwent a change as a result of interaction with the Hindu and Islamic societies. And the pastoral nomads they moved from one place to another with their herd of animals. They survived on milk products and exchanged ghee, wool, and many other things with farmers for grains, cloth, utensils, etc. The most important trader nomads were Banjaras. Their caravan was called Tanda. Sultan Alauddin Khilji used Banjaras to move grain to the city markets. These pastoral tribes thus basically reared and sold animals like horses and cattle to the other prosperous people. The important or the famous tribes among them there were the Gonds. Gonds are sometimes referred to by their tribal dialect Gondi. They practiced shifting cultivation. These Gonds rose when Delhi Sultanate declined. The Gond kingdom, Gondwana in southeastern Madhya Pradesh, was founded in the 15th century. There were also Ahoms. The Ahom tribe is traced to some tribes living in Southeast Asia who had traveled overland through the forests of Assam. The religion and culture of Assam is a fusion of the local traditions and of migrant tribes. These Ahoms belonged to a warrior class and built roads and irrigation system even before establishing their rule. The Ahoms formed the new kingdom by suppressing the older political system of Bhuyanas. Tribal societies were absolutely different